Hello, dear students. Welcome back to my channel, Outstanding Creation. How are you doing all? I hope you must be very fine. And some students who are new on my channel, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you will get notifications for my upcoming videos. Let's start now. चलो सीखते हैं. आज हम देखेंगे पेज नंबर 67 वर्ड्स वी नो. दिस पेज इज़ फ्रॉम माई इंग्लिश बुक 5. रीड ईच वर्ड इन द फॉलोइंग टेबल एट अ ग्लांस. आपको इस टेबल में दिया गया हर वर्ड एक ही ग्लांस में पढ़ना है, यानी आपको देखते ही पढ़ना है उस वर्ड को. लेट्स रीड देम. ए, ऑल, द, एन, देयर, एंड, देम, एनी, हु, मी, माई, नो, नाउ, योर, बट, वेयर, हर, एवरी, बाय, हियर, हिम, हिज, इफ, हाउ, many, with, one, what, us, two, this, there, some, that, only, of, are, without, then, when. इस तरह से स्टूडेंट्स आपको ये वर्ड्स पढ़ना है. एंड वी नो दीज ऑल वर्ड्स बिफोर also. This is our first exercise. Second exercise is prepare a card for each of these words and put the words in alphabetical order. You know what is alphabetical order? The letters from A to Z, these are called alphabets. So you have to see the words and their starting letter, and you have to put all the words according to their starting letters from alphabetical order. So what will you do? You will first write in sequence those words which are starting with A. After you will search for B, C, D in a sequence, and you will write down all the words. So this exercise is for you, and you have to do this on your notebook. Third exercise is find rhyming words from the chart. What are rhyming words? The words which sounds same when we pronounce them. Their pronunciations are same. Means same in rhythm. In rhythm they are same. Like my, by, I. So ending is same. So therefore these two words are rhyming words. Though spelling is different, no problem here. Here, where, there, these are rhyming words. Your, are, these two words are rhyming words. Fourth exercise is from the chart, find the words that begin with T or with W. You have to find out the words which begin with the letter T. Let's see which words are they. The, again with T, there, that, then. Like this you have to find out from this chart only. With W, you will see in row with sequence who, where, with, what, without, when. These words are starting with the letter W. Fifth exercise is from the chart, find the words that end with O or with Y. So let's see which words are ending with O. So we'll see the words and last letter who. This word ends with letter O. No, this word ends with letter O. Again, to. This word also ends with letter O. Why? Let's see about why. This is my, by, only. And if I miss something here, then you can add that. So friends, my dear students, I have done exercise for you. You can go through this exercise. This is the solved exercise for you. I have prepared the alphabetical orders for some words from the chart. Here, the, there, them, this, there, that, then. For this, what will be the alphabetical order I have shown here. So you have to just see this and you have to do with yourself in your notebook. Rhyming words I have written some are, there, your, where. These all are rhyming words. Means you can pair with are, there, your, where, no problem. Then, when, one, some, my, by, any, many. So study this page. If any problem is there, please ask me in comment box or you can ask on WhatsApp also. Thank you.